So welcome back to part 2. It's time to start adding some carbon into the tree. What I want to do is just take a little bit of chalk and mark where I think I want to start carbon. I don't want to be coming under this branch because that would sever the layer, the cambium layer, and that branch would die off. So what we really want to do is come up the sides. Yeah. I don't want to go in a straight line. I want to try and make a wavy line. Take that out of there. Come into there. And we've got this flat bit at the back here. I'm just going to put a... So this is where I put the chalk line where I'm going to do the... It's what you call roughing out when you use your big bit. Just roughing it out to see where we're going. So these are the marks I want to try and keep to for now. And I put a load on the top to where I want to rough it out too. So what we'll do now is get a nice sharp knife and we'll cut down the bark and the cambium layer so we can peel it back to see the wood and we know where to go from there. Please watch your fingers when you're using a sharp knife. Right, I'll speed this bit up while I'm doing this, then we'll come back. So since we've got our wood exposed, I'm just going to draw a line where I want me cut. Right. It's either going to work or it's not. So this is the die grinder. Nibble a bit from Kaizen Bonsai. I think it's the Terrier. Before you start this, make sure you've got eye protection on, or gloves if you want it. But I've got glasses, so I'm alright. I just hope this bit's sharp enough. Oh, here we go. So that's the roughing out. What we need to do is touch it all up with a fine Dremel. I caught the branch there, so I'll have to put some cut paste on. So make sure you've got tight hold of your power tools. It's only that there, so if it dies I can sort that out. So I'll swap over the Dremel and we'll come back and add some better bits of shape into there. I'm just going to put a little saw blade in and put some striations in it. Must be running out. Yeah, that was there for its first initial carving. This will rot away naturally, then we can break it off. It'll probably look a bit better. I'm only going to give it the one coat, it's just to seal it really. I wanted a bit more in this back, but it snapped out when I was going, so yeah, it is what it is. This carving doesn't go the way I like. I need to take it off, create a new leader out of one of these branches, so maybe it's that one, and carve back into there. Put the big cut paste on there where the branch caught. So I'll let that dry and I'll come back and add some black paint. Well, that's all the carbon lime sulphate. Added some black acrylic paint just for depth. So all I need to do now is add some more wire on to where I've took it off where it was biting in. I'll go the opposite direction on it, or either up the side of it. So I'll get it all wired, then we'll come back and have a look. Then we'll come back and add a bit more shape into the top portion of the tree. I've took wire off further down as well, what was biting in. So I'll have to get that done. So I'm getting all the wire undone. It's time to put some shape back into the tree. I've gone the opposite direction on the wire score, which I'll show you later on once we put some shape back into it. I'll just bring the camera over, speed it up, and I'll get some shape in the tree while I put the radio on. that's it for this English Elm. The carving's done, the bit styling put back into it. The carving's not going to win any trophies like. When I was carving it, when I was doing it off the camera, I had a little bit in there, same as this, but it snapped off. So that would have been full, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it now. I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out. So I'll just stick them back on the bench. I've got the little Chinese elm to do, which I might just do that off camera because you've seen that done before. Plus it'll only take a couple of minutes just to give it a quick haircut. There's a Chinese elm, had a quick prune. Literally just took a couple of minutes, why, not even a couple of minutes, so it was pointless doing a video on it. But that's how much has come off it. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!